My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the fake human verification alerts that come from the site News-hizade.cc. News-hizade.cc is a junk and deceptive site which now attacks Google, Chrome and other browsers. The website tries to mislead people and make them click on this allow button, supposedly to help users confirm that they are humans and not robots. In reality, it is a mistake to click on allow. If you do that, the browser will be hijacked and infected with numerous ads that will be popping up in the right part of the screen. You should do something to deactivate these ads. Go to the menu, Settings, Privacy and Security, then Site Settings. In Permissions, choose Notifications. And pay careful attention to the websites allowed to send notifications. When you find this News-hizade.cc, be sure to remove it from the list. And if you see other junk sites, remove them too. Finally, my recommendation is that you thoroughly research the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. And the best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the software, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.